Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I am going to discuss a new topic that is word analogy based questions useful for competitive exams. So, let's start. How to get the right connective words from the given words. So friends, this is word analogy based questions. Let us see one by one. One is Hindus temple. Hindus worship in temple. And Muslims, here given options for A, B, C, D. So Gurudwara, Mecca, Medina and mosque. Muslims pray in mosque. So here you need to write mosque. This is the matching word. Now we'll move to the next one. Clock, time. Clock shows us time, whereas thermometer shows us. Here options are: 1 is temperature, 2 is energy, radiation and heat. Thermometer obviously shows us temperature. This is the right answer. Now third one, melt implies liquid, whereas freeze converts into ice, solid, vapor, condense. These all are the forms of freeze only, but still here given link you need to see. Melt means liquid is the form of melting form of the water or any kind. Likewise freeze, here liquid opposite solid, freeze melt, whereas melt is liquid and freeze is solid. Now the fourth one is uncle, aunt. Father, obviously what will become? Here given options for, but let us check one by one. Brother, father brother will not become. Same. And sister, daughter, mother. Among them matching word is mother. Why? Because uncle, aunt, whereas father, mother. Now fifth one, night, evening, and day, morning. Why? Because here night is evening. When it implies with evening, then the matching one day implies morning time. Okay. Now we'll move to the next one, January, March. These are the months. Sunday, with which word we can compare this? Let us check. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. So here January after February and March. March is third month from January. So Sunday is the first one and Sunday to third day is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So Tuesday is our pair word. Next, 7 number, soldier, rifle. Writer, soldier's strength is rifle, whereas writer's strength is lies in either paper, book, ink or pen. Writer's strength is his pen only, because a writer can use pen for writing, whereas soldier can use rifle to protect. Now the eighth one is precaution. Precaution, accident, cleanliness. Let us check. Precautions when we need to take before occur any accident, we need to take precautions. Then we can avoid accidents. Likewise, cleanliness implies disease, treatment, garbage, illness. Which one will become here the answer? Let us check. Cleanliness, when we become cleanliness, then we can away diseases. Next, 9 number, coal, black. Coal is black. Snow is what? White. Water, white, cold, mountain. But among them, coal is black and snow is here color, mentioning color. So here we wrote white. Now the 10th number is Monday, week. May will become a month. Why? Because Monday is a day of week, and whereas May is a month of year. Now, question number 11. Grass is green, whereas sky is, without options also you can answer this because this is very easy question. Endless stars, blue, bright. Obviously, our option is blue. Here color mentioning, so here also we need to write the color. We need to select one. Next, 12th question is advocate law. When advocate knows law, about law, then cook knows about cookery, kitchen, food, dishes. Cookery. Next, Shakespeare writes drama. He is famous for drama. Then Kalidas is famous for story writing, literature. He becomes a poet or a writer. Obviously, he is a poet. Now, 14th question. Wardrobe, we can keep clothes. Whereas, in purse, what we can keep in purse? Zip, money, fare, clothes. Obviously, we can keep money in a purse. Now, 15th question. Circle, circumference. Whereas, circle surrounding circumference, then squares surrounding is perimeter, angle, area, diagonal. Obviously, it is perimeter. Now, 16th question. Kilogram, weight. Meter, where weight will be measured in kilograms, then meter will be measured in length. Why length is answer here? Kilogram, we can check in weights, then weight here, meters in length, because road also can be measured in meters but not in meters, it is in kilometers. Next, cloth will be in meters, but here asked the comparison when you check the analogy, then here weight, for weight, here weight measuring and here length measurement. Okay, now 17th question. Cheese, milk. Cheese comes from milk, then sugar comes from, here also you don't need any options, but still I am reading here. Palm, sugarcane, syrup, molasses. So obviously we know that sugar comes from sugarcane. Next, 18th question. Book, paper, table. Here also book prepared from papers. Then table comes from chair, student, wood, school. Obviously wood. Next, this is the source where we get table and chair, whatever furniture. Next, 19th question. Beautiful, ugly. These both words link is opposite words. Beautiful, ugly. Healthy. Here also we need to find out the opposite word of healthy. Sick, weak, strong, fat. Obviously, healthy, sick. Next, 20th question. Desert, sand. Obviously, we all know that in a desert, sand will be there in a desert, and whereas in the sea, what we get in the sea? Tide, water, fish, crocodile. Obviously, tide will be there, fish will be there, and crocodiles also lives in the sea. But among these all, most important thing is water. Because of water only, these all things will come from the sea. So, among these all options, when you will have water in the sea, then only these all things will appear to see. So friends, thank you for watching.